What's up, guys? So today we're making another steak recipe. We're making steak au poivre, which is a delicious seared steak in a wonderful cream sauce that you are not going to want to miss. This is Coach Sean's Kitchen. Alright guys, to start this recipe off, I need some steak. And I had this New York strip steak lying around that really needed to be used, and I wanted to have a date night. So out of this one steak, I'm gonna create two little filet mignon looking medallions. So the first thing I'm gonna do is trim off the fat around the outside, and then I can visualize where I wanna cut this steak in half. Once I've done that, I can really start shaping them. And you can see by the end, I got two steaks that look exactly like filet mignons. So after that, I'm gonna run around the outside with some butcher twine, and this is just to help them keep their shape when they're cooking. So these guys are looking great. Let's get on to the seasoning now. So I got that pink Himalayan sea salt, like always, as well as some freshly ground black pepper. And I'm just gonna season them on both sides, and take a look at how much pepper I put on this steak. If I could go back, I might even do a little bit more. The base of this sauce that we're gonna make here in a little bit is pepper, so going heavy here does help. So once these guys are looking good, I'm gonna drop a pat of butter and some olive oil in a pan, and I'm gonna put that on medium heat. And once it comes up and that butter is foaming, I'm gonna stick those steaks in that pan, and I'm not gonna touch them for 4 minutes. I'm gonna flip them once, and you'll see at the end, these steaks came out perfectly. So my 8 minutes is up right here. As you can see, great char. I'm gonna drain off some of that extra fat, and then I got all that fond I needed to glaze off the bottom of that pan. So we'll add a little bit of red wine there, get a little bit of flambe action going on. And then once that simmers down just a bit, I'm gonna scrape up all those little bits off the bottom, and then I'm gonna come at it with a bit of heavy cream here. So this combination of that spicy pepper and then that creamy heavy cream just plays so well together. So I'm gonna let it reduce for about 5 minutes until it looks like that on a spoon. That's a good test. So then I'm gonna put down a big dollop of that sauce on a pan, and then I'm gonna place one of those steaks right on top, and then, of course, you gotta hit it with a little bit more sauce. So this steak came out so good. I was so impressed with how it came out, because like I said, this is traditionally not made with a strip steak. And as you can see, that 8 minutes of cooking time gave us that perfect medium rare, great char, great sauce coverage, and a quick little taste test proved that we did a lot of good things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, if you did, please subscribe and check out my other videos. If you give this one a shot, please tag me in the comments and let me know how it went. Enjoy.